Hello friends, welcome to your own channel Universal Pharmacy. Today we are discussing drugs acting on autonomic nervous system or ANS. First we see the classification. There are there are two type of autonomic nervous system in our body. First is SNS means sympathetic nervous system and second is PSNS parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system is divided in two parts. First is sympathomimetics or adrenergic, and second is sympatholytics or anti-adrenergic. The example of sympathomimetics is adrenaline, and sympatholytic is tolazocine, pentalomine, etc. And PSNS first part is parasympathomimetics or cholinergic. Example acetylcholine carbachol, and second is parasympathomimate. Parasympatholytics means anticholinergic part. Example atropine, hyoscine or etc. First, firstly we are discussing parasympathetic part of cholinergic drug, in which we are studying cholinergic drug. Firstly, in the classification of cholinergic drug, first is choline esters. Example acetylcholine, carbachol, methacholine, etc. Second part anticholine esterase. Example physostigmine, neostigmine, pyridostigmine. And last part natural alkaloids. Example pilocarpine. Acetylcholine synthesized by neurons in our our nerve cell as choline and acetyl coenzyme by helping of enzyme acetyltransferase. The acetylcholine is formed. First, in this video, we are only discussing important drug and their structure, property, and their usage. So, firstly, we see the neostigmine and physostigmine. The structure of neostigmine is it is a contain benzene ring and side out of moiety and contain bromide group. And physostigmine, it is also known as iserine and antirrhelium, belongs to pyroindols class, containing pyrrole group, pyrrole ring and indole ring in its structure. And which property of physostigmine, it is a white crystalline powder, odorless and bitter, hygroscopic means easily absorb moisture from the air and soluble in water, alcohol, soluble stored, it is stored in airtight container. And physostigmine is colorless, odorless, microcrystalline powder, soluble in alcohol and ether. It is also stored in airtight container. And the use of neostigmine use of neostigmine in myasthenia gravis, paralytic ileus, urinary retention. And physostigmine use glaucoma, atropine poisoning, psychiatric disorder, and it is used as miotic on ocular preparation. The preparation of neostigmine tablet and neostigmine injection. And the brand name of neostigmine is prostigmine. Prostigmine is brand name. And physostigmine injection and physostigmine eye drops used in preparation. Brand name is physostine. It is similar to physostigmine, like F for physostigmine, F for physostine, P for physostigmine. And the third structure is pilocarpine. Pilocarpine structure. It is physical property. It is colorless white crystalline powder, odorless, bitter taste, and hygroscopic, water soluble, stored in airtight container from the sunlight. And use of pilocarpine is meiotic. In it decrease intraocular pressure in open angle glaucoma, so it is used in glaucoma. And treat anticholinergic side effect like atropine poisoning. And preparation is pilocarpine SCL BP eye drop, pilocarpine eye drop. Trade name is Pilocar. So it is the short in important information regarding pilocarpine. And the second part we discuss it anticholinergic or parasympatholytics. The classification is first part natural alkaloids. Example atropine, hyoscyamin or hyoscine, homoatropine. And second part synthetic compound. Example propanthelene, dicyclomine, benzotropine or heparidine. First we discuss atropine. The property of atropine, it is a colorless crystal with bitter taste, partially soluble in water and soluble in chloroform. Preparation atropine sulfate tablet or injection, atropine eye drop or eye ointment, or morphine and atropine combination in injection. Brand name is Lomoten or Lomotil. So this is the structure this is the structure of atropine. It is anticholinergic that block muscarinic receptor. It is work again muscarinic receptor. It is alkaloid extracted from Solanaceae plant. Mainly it is extracted from Solanaceae plant. It is an ester of propene and tropic acid and used as sulfate salt in racemic form. Mainly it is used as sulfate salt in many preparations. At therapeutic dose, it can penetrate the brain and stimulate CNS. It can also stimulate CNS, and it causes cholinergic action like bradycardia, reduce secretion before surgery, treat iritis, painful inflammation of eyes, organophosphate poisoning, or and organophosphate pointing like antidote in poisoning. And next part is propanthelene. Next drug is propanthelene. Property, it is yellowish white odorless powder, hygroscopic and deliquescent, water and alcohol soluble. And usage is it is spasmodic, anti-ulcer, and in gastric gastric inflammation or disease. Preparation propanthelene bromide tablet in combination with bromide, or trade name is propanthine. So this is the structure of propanthelene. The IUPAC name is N diisopropyl and methyl 2 xanthine 9YL carbonyloxyl ethyl ammonium bromide. And next drug is hyoscine or scopolamine. It is odorless and colorless transparent crystal soluble in water and alcohol. Preparation is hyoscine eye drop BP, hyoscine ointment, hyoscine injection, etc. or hyoscine tablet. The trade name is Buscopan. The structure of hyoscine scopolamine or hyoscine is that it is, and the general property is it is anticholinergic effect that block muscarinic receptor, alkaloid from Solanaceae plant. It is used as hydrobromide salt, and therapeutic dose it can depress CNS. Usage in treat iritis, and it is also used in Parkinson, treat motion sickness. The next drug is dicyclomine. Preparation is biospan space injection, cyclopam tablet, dicyclomine SCL, dicyclomine paracetamol. The structure of dicyclomine, it is anticholinergic, block muscarinic receptor, weaker antagonist than atropine, and it is used in to treat intestinal hypermotility and irritable bowel syndrome, a disorder in large intestine that causes cramp, abdominal pain, or bloating and gas. And the second part is sympathomimetics or adrenergic. Firstly, first catecholamine. Example: adrenaline, noradrenaline, isoprenaline. And second, norcatecholamines. Example: amphetamine, ephedrine, phenylephrine, pseudoephedrine, or terbutaline. And third, imidazoline derivative like nepazoline. First, we discuss adrenaline. Physical property: white microcrystalline powder, odorless and bitter in taste, slightly soluble in water, insoluble in alcohol. It is levorotatory form and uses in bronchial asthma, heart attack, acute allergy with local anesthetic. With used local anesthetic or assisted by local anesthetics. Brand name is Adrenar or Nordrin. Properties: adrenaline preparation, adrenaline tartrate injection, adrenaline eye drop, adrenaline or atropine spray. And the structure is, it contains benzene ring with side methyl group. The IUPAC name is 1,1,3,4 dihydroxyl 2 methyl amino ethanol. And second, isoprenaline. Brand name is Asthaline. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, it is odorless with bitter taste and astringent taste, freely soluble in water, gives intense green color with ferric chloride solution. It is stored away from light in a airtight container. It is used in treatment of bronchial asthma, in treatment of heart block, in treatment of bradycardia. And third drug is phenylephrine. Property: it is white crystalline powder, water soluble, used in bronchial asthma and mydriatic action and nasal congestion. Preparation: injection or eye drop. And brand name is Biomydrin. The structure the structure of phenylephrine. And last we have salbutamol. It is white crystalline powder, slightly soluble in water, give reddish orange color with ferric chloride solution, used in asthma, heart attack, nasal congestion, prevent premature labor. Preparation: salbutamol tablet, injection or aerosol, syrup and inhaler. Brand name Asthaline, Ventolin or Salbutamol. And the next drug is ephedrine. It is obtained from alkaloid. It is alkaloid drug. Properties: it is white crystalline powder, it is odorless and bitter taste, sparingly soluble in water and in laboratory form, away from stored away from sunlight, used as bronchial asthma and nocturnal aneurysm. Preparation: tablet, elixir, nasal drop, syrup or ephedrine hydrochloride tablet. Brand name is Ephedrax. And next part is sympatholytics or anti-adrenergic drugs. Example: alpha blocker, beta blocker, or third is adrenergic neuron blocker. The alpha blocker is tolazoline, phentolamine, prazosin, etc. The first is imidazoline derivative, in which we have two drugs, tolazoline and phenethylamine. Phenethylamine is more potent than tolazoline, the structure of the two drugs. And use of tolazoline: it is antispasmodic, anti and arteriosclerosis, used in arteriosclerosis, peripheral vascular disease. Preparation: tolazoline SL injection and brand name is toll free, toll fast. And pentolamine use pio pheochromocytoma, means preoperative stress, known as preoperative stress. Preparation is phentolamine mycilate injection. The brand name is Fentanyl. And the next category of drug is quinazoline derivative, in which we have a structure in which we have quinazoline ring and quinazoline ring and second part piperazine ring, and third is acyl moiety. The first three drugs of quinazoline derivative is perazosine, terazosin, or doxazosine, and fourth drug is alfluzocin. Alfluzocin, it is only drug containing open piperazine ring analog of quinazoline, and the fifth drug is tamsulosin. Tamsulosin or non non quinazoline benzosulfonamide. It is a type of sulfonamide drug. Tam, Tamsulosin is drug of choice for BPS, banning prostatic hypertrophy. Used mainly in these all drugs are usually mainly used in BPS, banning prostatic hypertrophy in hypertension, all zosin type of drug. Preparation tamsulosin SCL tablet capsule, perazosine tablet, brand name Prazin for perazosine drugs, and Flomax Tams for the tamsulosin drug. And then last part of drug is propranolol or beta blocker. The IUPAC name of 1 isopropyl amino 3 1 naphthodeoxy propane 2 all. In physical properties, odorless white powder, water soluble, cardiac arrhythmia, used in cardiac arrhythmia, angina pectoris, and arterial hypertension, hyperthyroidism in general, and anxiety. Preparation is tablet or injection, and brand name is Inderal or Ciplar. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you, friends.